Sa video na to, ituturo ko kung paano gamitin ang Squarespace para sa email marketing ngayong 2024. Squarespace is more than just a website builder. It's a powerful tool for managing and executing email campaigns that help you connect with your audience, drive conversions, and build your brand. Kung ikaw man ay isang small business owner, blogger, o entrepreneur, this tutorial will guide you through leveraging Squarespace's email marketing tools to their fullest potential. Tara, simulan na natin. Una sa lahat, kailangan mo magkaroon ng active na Squarespace account. Kung hindi ka pa naka-sign up, pinutin mo lang yung link sa description. Siguraduhin mo lang na may plan ka na kasama ang email marketing feature. Sige, kapag naka-login ka na, kailangan mong pumasok sa website mo. Pindutin mo lang ang website. Here is an example page. What we're gonna do is navigate down to the marketing section and click on email campaigns. Paalala lang ha, mahalaga ang pagpili ng tamang email marketing plan lalo na kung bago ka pa lang sa platform. Kita mo sa dashboard, ito ang checklist para makapagsimula. Select an email template, create a mailing list, add sender details. And that's really it. We also cover adding subscribers. You can import them as well. Ngayon, makikita mo dito na may mga drafts, scheduled emails, sent emails, automations, mailing lists, at email campaign settings all ready to go. Bago tayo mag-umpisa, pag-usapan muna natin kung bakit importante may email list ka. Kung magpapadala ka ng emails, kailangan talaga ng solid na email list. Squarespace provides a range of tools to help you grow your subscriber base, ensuring that emails reach the right audience. Isa sa mga pinaka-effective na paraan para palakihin ang email list mo ay maglagay ng sign-up form sa website mo. Sa Squarespace, madali mo magagawa to. Make sure your form is prominently placed on your website. Consider adding it to your homepage, blog posts, or as pop-up that appears when visitors are about to leave your site. Dapat siguraduhin mong i-customize ang mga forms para match sa style ng brand mo. You can also include custom fields that allow you to gather more specific information about your subscribers, which can be useful for segmenting your audience later on. Isa pang paraan para makakuha ng email subscribers ay mag-alok ng incentive. Pwede itong discount code, libreng ebook, o exclusive access para sa mga particular na content. Kung kumokolekta ka ng mga emails gamit ang ibang platforms tulad ng CRM o social media tools, madali lang i-integrate ang mga to sa Squarespace at i-import ang mga existing contacts mo. Okay, let's go ahead and walk through step by step on how to create an email campaign. As you can see, there is a checklist to start sending. Ang unang gagawin natin ay piliin mo ng email template. Here you can see they have seasonal templates. If you want to promote a product or service, promote classes or events, announce a sale, share an update, send a follow-up, and so much more, you can choose one. Pwede rin naman magsimula ng blank kung gusto mo. Let's go ahead and send thanks email. So we'll click on this one. Here you can preview what it's gonna look like. Kapag ready ka na, i-click mo lang ang use this template. From here, we can customize anything and everything that we want. Gusto natin palitan ng heading, pwede rin palitan ng kulay ng text, pwede mo tong gawing heading, medium heading, o paragraph, depende sa gusto mong format. Pwede mong i-move yung mga sections pataas o pababa. Kung kailangan mo mag-send ng discount code, pwede mo rin itong idagdag. Pati na rin gamit ang mga buttons. Again, everything is completely customizable. You can adjust the button to change the font, change the wording, change the coloring, whatever you would like. Pwede mo rin baguhin ang alignment. Para baguhin ang link, i-click mo lang yung button. Tapos, pwede mong i-adjust ang link dito. Dito naman sa kanan, kailangan mo rin ayusin ang mismong campaign. We want to make sure we have a subject line that makes sense and will catch the reader's eye. You want to make sure you have an email preview. Pwede mo rin piliin kung sino ang tatanggap ng email. Pwede mong isend ang lahat ng subscribers o mga specific na tao mula sa list mo o segments, which we will go into as well as tags and digital products. Kung gusto mong palitan ng photo, i-click mo lang ang replace. Pwede ka mag-upload ng file, pumili mula sa kanilang library o mag-browse sa stock images. Ilang tips pa para sa customization. Habang ine-edit mo, siguraduhin mo ang mga kulay at fonts ay tumutugma sa brand mo. Madali at intuitive ang editor na to. Visuals also play a crucial role in making your email engaging and memorable. Of course, you want to make sure the visuals you use are relevant to your content and help reinforce your brand's visual identity. May brand kit feature ang Squarespace kaya madali mong ma-access ang lahat ng branding elements mo and apply them to your email template. You also want to make sure you're personalizing the content. Personalization is key to increasing engagement. In Squarespace, you can easily personalize your email content by including the recipient's name in the subject line or addressing them directly in the body of the email. All you have to do is click anywhere and then you'll click this button right here. Pwede mong idagdag ang buong pangalan ng subscriber, first name, o ang site at i-link ang site title. Mas mataas at open ang click-through rate ng mga personalized email as they feel more relevant to the recipient. Kapag ready na ang email mo, i-click mo yung email button, siguraduhin mong may subject line at email preview ka. Pwede mo ring idagdag itatag ang pangalan ng subscriber to either of these. Pagkatapos, next na gagawin mo ay i-click ang schedule. You can choose to send it immediately or select a specific date and time. After that, you can send a test email if you would like to go ahead and schedule the campaign. Okay, sunod naman ay gumawa tayo ng mailing list. Sa loob ng email list, pwede mong i-segment ang emails mo. Segmenting your email list allows you to send more targeted and relevant emails, which can significantly improve your campaign effectiveness and increase engagement. Pinapayagan ka ng Squarespace na gumawa ng audience segments based sa iba't ibang criteria tulad ng demographics, purchase history, at engagement level. Pwedeng gumawa ng list, i-click mo lang dito, list, tapos i-click mo. Sunod, magdagdag tayo ng subscribers. Pwede ka mag-upload mula sa CSV file o magdagdag ng individual na address. Para magdagdag ng individual address, i-type mo lang ang email address, first at last name, at i-confirm ang permission. Pagkatapos, i-click mo lang done. Ngayon na nandyan ang email address, makikita mong ilang analytics. Makikita mong total number ng subscribers, organic growth, at unsubscribers. Pwede mo ring i-segment ang data based sa last 7 days, last 30 days, at all time. Dito sa list, pwede mo rin i-filter ayon sa subscribed, unsubscribed, at clean. You can add a sender profile. Ang sender profile ay kung ano ang makikita ng recipient sa from line ng emails mo. Para dagdag to, i-click mo ang send, tapos i-click ang next at kailangan mong i-verify ang email address. Ngayon tapos na tayo sa checklist. Dito makikita natin ang mga recent drafts at ilang help articles. Sunod, pag-usapan natin ang importance ng pag-test at pag-review ng email campaigns bago ipadala. Una sa lahat, mag-send ng test emails. Bago i-launch ang campaign mo, it's crucial to send test emails to yourself or your team members. This step ensures your email looks great across different devices and email clients. Maraming taong nag-check ng emails nila gamit ang iba't ibang devices mula sa desktop at laptops hanggang sa smartphones at tablets. Importanteng itest mo ang iyong email sa multiple devices to ensure it looks good everywhere. Sunod, ang pag-review ng analytics. Pagkatapos masend ang email mo, nagbibigay ang Squarespace ng detailed analytics that allow you to track its performance. You can monitor metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and unsubscribe rates. Siguraduhin mong gamitin ang analytics data para makakuha ng insights tungkol sa behavior ng audience mo. Gamitin ang mga insights na makukuha mo mula sa analytics para i-refine ang mga susunod mong email campaigns. Regularly viewing your analytics will help you optimize your email marketing strategy over time. Tara, pag-usapan natin ang mga advanced features at best practices. Una sa lahat, ang paggamit ng A-B testing. Ang A-B testing or split testing is a method of comparing two versions of an email to see which performs better. Okay, paano magsagawa ng A-B test? You want to start off by identifying the element you want to test. This could be a subject line, the CTA, or the layout of the email. Create two versions of your email with slight variations in this element and send them to a small segment of your list. Pagkatapos ng set period, ikumpara ang performance ng dalawang version. The version with higher engagement can then be sent to the rest of your list. When conducting A-B tests, it's important to change only one segment at a time. This allows you to clearly see the impact of the change in your email's performance. Sunod naman ay yung paggamit ng visual content. Emails with strong visual elements tend to perform better. Like I said, visual content can make your emails more engaging and memorable. Kung mag-share ka ng blog post, pwede mong isama ang infographic or related image para makakuha ng attention ng reader. Kapag nag-i-incorporate ng visual content, it's important to ensure that it looks great on all devices, especially mobile. Additionally, consider the file size of your images and videos. Ang malalaking files ay pwedeng magpabagal ng download times, lalo na sa mga mobile devices. Next is maintaining list hygiene. Keeping your email list clean and up-to-date is crucial for maintaining a high deliverability time. Regularly remove inactive subscribers, correct any invalid email addresses, and segment your list to ensure you're sending relevant content to the right people. Invalid email addresses can harm your deliverability rates and increase the likelihood that your emails will end up in spam folders. Ang regular na pagsasegment ng list mo ay makakatulong para siguraduhin na ang emails mo ay relevant sa bawat subscriber. That covers how to use Squarespaces for email marketing. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your existing email marketing strategy, Squarespace offers a comprehensive set of tools to help you create, manage, and optimize your email campaigns. Tandaan, ang susi sa matagumpay na email marketing ay ang patuloy na pagpapabuti ng iyong approach based sa data at feedback. By following best practices and utilizing Squarespace's advanced features, you can create impactful email campaigns that engage your audience and support your business goals. Kung wala ka pang Squarespace account, i-click mo lang ang link sa description to get started. It'll bring you to a page that look like this. At pagkatapos, i-click mo ang start. It'll prompt you to select a template to save 10%. You can use the code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. Ipapakita ko sa iyo kung paano yan. Kaya kung nasa free trial trial ka pa, ang gagawin mo ay pumunta sa account dashboard mo, pumunta ka sa billing, piliin ang plan at i-click ang submit, subscribe. Then piliin mo ang most popular plan and confirm your selection. Next, kailangan mong ilagay ang address at payment details mo. After that, i-type mo ang code na my first website in all caps and apply, and click apply, and then you can confirm your payment. Kung nakatulong sa'yo ang tutorial na to, huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe for more content. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website. Kung may tanong o comment ka, feel free to leave them below. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod.